Start at the bottom of the hairline and bring the clippers up to the top of the middle of the back of the head. Pull the clippers out in an arc pattern. Think of the clippers as a comb the entire time you are cutting. Continue in an upward arc with each stroke. You will eventually go all the way around the head. Once you reach the back of the ear area, move the clippers to the bottom of the ear. Use the width of the clipper guard as a guide and clip a semicircle around the back of the ear toward the front of the head. Now use the clippers and comb the bottom of the sideburn area in small upward strokes with the guard touching the head and arcing out at the bottom of the temple area. Then repeat this whole procedure on the other side of the head, starting at the center of the nape of the neck. Follow the same sequence. First, do the back of the neck from the center.